Hello everybody, and today I have come up with the preparation of Dhaadu. Now Dhaadu, it is a finely powdered snack prepared from a combination of pulses, cereals and ragi. It is highly nutritious and a very good snack when you have so many of your friends and family members sitting around you for a chit chat. It is liked by children and old alike. So welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. To the ingredients, you need 1 tablespoon parboiled rice, 1 tablespoon ragi, 1 tablespoon wheat, 1 tablespoon urad dal, 1 tablespoon horse gram, 1 tablespoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon tuvar dal, 7 to 10 peppercorns, 2 to 4 red chilies or as per your spiciness level, 1 teaspoon hing and salt to taste. Wash the parboiled rice and drain away all the water. Dry roast it. After it has roasted, you will see that it is turning white and a change in color will be observed. Then dry roast the horse gram. Ragi you have to dry roast. Tuvar dal you have to dry roast. Chana dal you have to dry roast. You have to dry roast the peppercorns. Then wheat you have to dry roast. Red chilies you have to dry roast. Salt you have to dry roast. Salt has got moisture, so while dry roasting salt, switch off the flame. Transfer all the roasted ingredients to a mixer, add hing and make a fine powder. Your dhadu is ready, store it in airtight containers. Now to serve, take dhadu in a small bowl, drizzle some coconut oil and mix well. The amount of coconut oil should be such that after drizzling and mixing there should not be any ball formation. Shelf life of dhadu is 1 month. Your dhadu is ready. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. And if you want to see many Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, you can keep watching my channel regularly. I will be uploading new videos every week. So thank you for watching my channel.